No rusting without oxygen. You know how important oxygen is for existence. However, apart from this, it is also very important for innumerable activities constantly taking place in the universe. Let us see one its examples. Do you know how iron catches rust? Rusting is in fact the oxidation of iron that takes place when oxygen reacts with moist iron. Materials required are a small medicine bottle with a rubber stopper, small glass tube, a glass full of water, a handful of iron dust, and little vinegar. Procedure: first, put the little iron dust soaked in water and vinegar into the bottle. Insert the glass tube into the stopper. Fit the rubber stopper on the glass bottle. Now, put this bottle in such a way that the free end of the tube is dipped into a glass, half filled with water. Do you know what happens now? The iron dust begins catching rust and oxygen, on the other hand, is getting consumed. Although this happens slowly, you would witness the water in the glass tube. When the entire oxygen has been used up, you would find 1/5 of the total space of the bottle and that of glass tube is filled with water. This proves the fact that oxygen forms 1/5 of the content of atmospheric gases. Why it happens? A chemical reaction occurs when atoms join together or break apart to form new and different combinations of atoms. In this experiment, a chemical reaction occurs between iron and oxygen, which is given by the equation 4Fe plus 3O2 gives 2Fe2O3. This formula shows that when iron is found in the presence of oxygen, the two chemicals join together to form a new compound. This reaction is called an oxidation or reduction reaction. In an oxidation or reduction reaction, electrons get transferred from one substance to another. In this reaction, iron transfers some of its electrons to oxygen. The iron atom becomes an Fe plus 3 ion and oxygen becomes an 0-2 ion, which quickly joins with an H plus ion to form water. These two elements combine to form iron oxide Fe2O3 or rust. During the corrosion process, iron does not seem to react with air at all. Water is necessary for the oxidation reaction to occur to facilitate transport of the electrons, although we do know that iron will rust in air after a long time. Since there are water droplets in the air, another substance that facilitates the transport of electrons is vinegar.